Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. If you are new, hey girl, hey, I'm Sharron. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today, y'all, we are going to be doing a review on this wig that I have on right here, right now. So let's get into it. Hey y'all, so today's wig was sent over from Asteria Hair. This is what their packaging looks like. They sent me over the typical goodie. And how cute is their logo? It has like the wig slash like hair for the A. That's super cute. But let's get into the wig. So they sent me over their 24-inch curly 13x4 HD lace frontal wig. This is what it looks like. The construction has combs on the side, comb in the back, adjustable straps, and an elastic band. But the lace, baby, this lace is lacing. So I'm gonna co-wash and I'll be back. Hey y'all! So this is the wig after it has been co-washed and air dry. Texture gives a couple of different things. Like it looks wavy, like it's not quite ringlets like curls, but right here it looks like it because the ends are actually like more ringlets and then this part is more of a wave. So like this, as you see, is not like actual curls, it's like waves, but then the ends give like full-blown ringlets. But yeah, so I just literally co-washed the wig and then I put it on the mannequin head and let it air dry. It was already parted. So let's get into styling.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know, I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body stays my mind, and my heart. My body stays. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy.
Okay y'all, so this is the final look. I think it came out really cute. This is 24 inches, but it don't really seem that long. I mean, it is a curly wig. It's more wavy than curly, but it is a curly wig, so you know that takes some of the length away. But I think it looks really cute. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Y'all know me, one thing I'm going to do is wear my wigs behind my hairline. And I feel like this was very easy to install. I usually, like I just showed y'all, just take like some of the edges from the lace, like the hairline of the lace, and then kind of swoop them into my own edges so it looks just like a little bit more natural. But I think it came out really cute. So let's get into the wig. So I already told you all of the details about the wig and all of the specs and all of that stuff. For me, I feel like this wig is a little bit too thick. Now, I don't know if they have the option of like selecting the density, but if you know me, then you know I like a in the middle kind of density. Like I like a wig that is not like fine, but not like super dense. Like I like it in the middle. Like that's my sweet spot. I say natural density just because, like I said, this is like on this end of the spectrum is fine, and then on this end it's like super dense, but I like it in the middle. So I just say like a natural density. I just like more of a natural density kind of a wig, and this wig is very thick. But some people like that. Some people like they want their wigs and their bundles and all of that stuff to be like super thick. So if that's you, then you'll love this because it is very thick. But for me, like I like a more natural density. In terms of like the curl pattern and the texture, like it's really pretty. The lace is really nice, and if you somebody who you just kind of take your wigs out the box and then you wear them, then you'll love this too, because they kind of almost style it for you. Like it comes with the part already parted, and then like the hairline kind of already like slicked back, so you could just kind of really like install it. So if you that type of girl, then you'll love this. But either way, the lace on this wig is really good. This wig is, and I got the medium size, which is because they do, that's one good thing, they allow you to select your size, which I feel like most wig companies do, but some don't. But they do allow you to select your size, and I select medium, but I still had to go in and like adjust the elastic band and the adjustable straps. There still is room in between. So if you get like medium and you have a circumference of like 23 inches, then you still have like some wiggle room one way or the other. I stand the curly textures, like honestly. Ooh, it's like, and I cannot remember the last time I reviewed like a bone straight kind of a wig. Like I just don't do that. Like I don't know her, just because like I like things that don't look so put together. Like I don't want styles or hair or wigs that like have to look perfect all the time. Like hair can't be out of place. That's just not really my vibe, because like I tell y'all all the time, I don't like to carry a brush. I don't want to be out and about worrying about if something is going wrong with my hair, if this hair is sticking up, if this lace is lifting, I'm not doing that, okay? Please. I like stuff that don't really look too put together. It's all part of the vibes. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of today's wig. And once again, shouts out to Asteria Hair for sending me over this wig and collaborating with your girl on today's video. I truly appreciate it. If you are interested in the wig or the company, I will have all the links to the wig and company in the description box for you to check it out. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I will catch you in the next one. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.